Alright, this is probably going to be a little quicker video, but I do want to bring something else up that I've noticed. For some reason or another, when the controllers go to sleep, mainly this one right here, there's no way to wake it up. No matter what I do, no matter what amount of button pressing, this controller will refuse to wake up. While this one right here will actually refuse to go to sleep. This one will always stay connected no matter what. Like you just saw disconnected right there, it's glowing yellow. It will probably reconnect in a little bit. Yep, and it just reconnected again. So this one refuses to go to sleep, while this one will go to sleep but refuses to wake from sleep. So that's another weird little issue these controllers have. But again, whenever I actually want to disconnect these things from the actual device itself, I tend to want to use it in tablet mode, and I just want to put these off to the side. So one thing they need to fix obviously is this one from actually waking up properly, and this one to allow it to actually go to sleep and also have it wake up properly. So my idea is to have it set up to where you press these two buttons right here for a certain amount of time and the controller will wake from sleep. And let's say you want to put the controllers to sleep because you don't want to use them. You can just press and hold the same combination button right here for a few seconds, and then the controller will go to sleep. And of course, with this one right here, it'll be the same thing. The Legion button, and then let's say this paddle right here. So press those two paddles, hold it for a few seconds, and it'll put this controller to sleep. And again, you won't wake it up from sleep. Press and hold it again for a few seconds, and it'll wake from sleep. Obviously, that doesn't happen right now because again, these controllers have these things have more pressing issues, i.e. the dead zones and whatnot. But once they fix the dead zones, they can maybe implement this little idea I have to allow these controllers to be manually put into sleep and manually waking up from sleep. With that said, if I want to wake this thing up from sleep, I gotta connect it directly to the tablet again and whatnot. It's a little annoying, but yeah, like I said, once they fix the dead zoning issues, then they can work on other things. I just thought I'll make a short little video kind of going over something that people aren't really talking about but is an issue, and also a little feature that they could actually add to make these controllers a little more user friendly. I'm pretty certain they can probably put something into the Legion Space app or whatever you call it to manually probably toggle that way, but it's better being done directly from the actual controller itself instead of through software and whatnot. So again, here's hoping they fix the dead zoning and then maybe do like I mentioned before to allow you to put these things to sleep and wake them up and whatnot. But one thing at a time.